To add Klaviyo code to your Shopify store, you will need to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify by inserting the Klaviyo tracking code. This will allow Klaviyo to track user behavior on your store, such as purchases, sign-ups, and browsing activities. For more personalized email marketing, here's how to do it. Create a Klaviyo account. If you haven't already, sign up for a Klaviyo account at klaviyo.com. Get your Klaviyo API key. In your Klaviyo account, go to Account, Settings, API Keys. Click Create API Key and copy the generated key. Integrate Klaviyo with Shopify. In your Shopify admin, go to Apps and search for Klaviyo. Install the Klaviyo app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, go to the Klaviyo integration settings within Shopify and paste your API key to connect your accounts. Add Klaviyo tracking code. After the integration, Klaviyo automatically adds the necessary tracking code to your Shopify store. However, if you want to manually add it, go to Shopify Admin, Online Store, Themes, Actions, Edit Code. Open the theme.liquid file and paste the Klaviyo tracking script before the closing body tag. Save and test. Save the changes and test if the integration is working by tracking a test event on your store.